Okay, what we have here is the MP3 recorder, the Zoom H2. To turn on the recorder, you turn it on the side, and here you have the on-off, push it upwards, and it's at on. When you turn it on, you will see some information in the display, and it's loading the firmware and so. And when you see the counter and everything, it's ready to record. To start the recording, you use the red button here. The first time you press it, be aware that this red light is flashing and the counter is not running. That means that now it's ready for recording and it's not recording yet, so you have to press another time on the red button here. And now it's recording, and you can see that by this red lamp is lighting red all the time, and the counter up here is running. To stop the recording, you simply press on this one again. When you're done recording, you connect the MP3 recorder to your computer with the USB plug that you find over here, and you have this plug you put in there.